Today's class is about articulation. We will be covering slurs, legato, and staccato. To start, we must ask ourselves, what is articulation? Articulation is the type of technique used to create different sounding notes. Slurring is the only articulation that requires no tongue except on the initial attack. It requires a fast airstream, and you need to pretend that the air is spinning inside your mouth to create a good sound. The legato articulation is very much like slurring, except you need to attack every note with a very smooth tongue. To get what it sounds like, it's more like da 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 da. I want you to do that with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Now, in staccato, the air propels the tongue and it creates each note to be very separate from the other. So when we do this, we use the two syllable. We go two, 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 two. Ready to do that? Two, 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 two. Now that we understand what articulation is, I'm going to give you a little quiz, and I want you to bring this back to me tomorrow. I'm going to play the 3 articulations, and I want you to write down what you think each is. That was number 1. Number 2. And number 3. First, we're going to do a slur, which is an articulation with no tongue except the initial attack. We're going to do this on the F scale for the first 5 notes. Here's an example. And lastly, we're going to work on staccato, which is very separated tonguing. Next, we're going to work on legato, which is very smooth tonguing, and it sounds connected, almost like a slur. To review, we will go over the different types of articulation we went over today. A slur is the note that is played without separation. The tongue provides the only initial attack. Legato means that the notes are played with slight separation. They are played as smoothly as possible. And staccato, notes that are played very separate from each other. They are very short.